How to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and here in my profile, as you can see, I have the professional dashboard, which means my account is a business account currently. So in order to change that, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen, and under the For Professionals tab, you will see the option for Business Tools and Controls. Tap on that and then tap on the Switch Account Type option, and then tap on the Switch to Personal Account option you see there. In the confirmation that appears, tap on the Switch to Personal Account option, and with this, if you go back to your profile, you will not see the professional dashboard anywhere, which means the account has been switched back to a personal account successfully. So, this is how you can switch back to a personal account on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.